What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you so much for tuning in. It's me, Mikey fucking Pipes. It's Monday morning, the 29th of September, 2025. 7:05 here in the morning.
I found this on the web.
Shut up, Siri. I took apart the Powermate that I bought 8 years ago. I gotta get a new battery. It's kaput. I called the folks over at Powermate last week. Well, let me not lie. Janine, the office manager, called them, but I got on the phone with them. And they said, wow, you got 8 years out of that battery? You're lucky. I'm like, damn, really? Like, I maybe used it maybe at most a dozen times in 8 years. But nonetheless, it's kaput. So I'm going to have Daniel go to the auto parts store today and get a new battery. And we'll be all right. I have 2 interviews this afternoon. One. Oh, fuck. See, look, I'm trying to feed you guys and it just doesn't want to work out well. One at 3 o'clock and the other one at 3:30. Folks. Fucking tits, bro. We haven't shipped out a poster. The 2025 version 2.0 poster in an international basis. Right? But, folks, you're going to love this, folks. We have... Fuck! Stay right there. Don't go anywhere. We have number 85 of 150 going to the fucking Bahamas. That's right, folks. It's going to the Bahamas. Perfect hands. Can't make that shit up. So, number 85 of 150 is going to perfect hands. Tits! No one claimed, at least I didn't get any emails for it. No one claimed the free poster last week. So if you would like a free poster, email me, Mike at MikeyPipes.com. It's totally free. All you need is your address, and please be in the United States. If you don't live in the United States and you want, live, for example, in Bahamas or Europe or anywhere else outside the United States, please add another $20 to your donation to cover postage. It costs $21.90 to ship this to the Bahamas. And it's going to a global post-processing facility in Hackensack, New Jersey, in order to get there. So I am going to tape this bad boy up. We want this to arrive to perfect hands, intact. We do. We don't want anyone to tamper with this on the way there. So I'm going to tape up this bad boy. All right? I'm going to tape it up, and that way when loving hands, perfect hands. Sounds like a massage parlor. What do you think? Perfect hands. What do you think, guys? What is perfect hands? Is it run by Asians? What do you think? Tell me, what do you think? I'm listening. All right, so this is going to perfect hands. And then Steven in Lindenhurst, he's getting a bunch of stickers. He emailed me at Mike at MikeyPipes.com. I'm sending him a bunch of stickers. And since he's local, he's even getting a magnet. And we're going to mail this off to him today. Thank you for your support. Appreciate it. Now, what I don't understand, and maybe someone could help me, I get a shipment from TrueTech Tools, okay? And they have this thing in there. It's a Testo. It's an O₂ sensor, right? They shipped this to me. I have no idea why they shipped this to me, other than I sent them my Testo 320 combustion analyzer about a week and a half ago, 2 weeks ago. And they sent me a bill for $180, and then they sent me this. Like, what the fuck? Like, seriously? Why is it the old part? I have no idea. So I got to call them today. So I have the phone number here. Page 2. Yeah, we'll see what happens. Guys, if you want a poster, email me, Mike at MikeyPipes.com. There are payment links in the description box down below. For your donation of $42.50, 100% of the proceeds goes to my nonprofit organization, the Mikey Pipes Philanthropy charitable organization, where we provide free, basically, or low cost, depending on what the need is of the family, plumbing, heating, cooling services to those in the community who can't afford to hire a professional. I got an email yesterday from an individual. They have a sister who is having some problems. Let me show you that. Well, my sister is on a fixed income and on dialysis. Her basement has flooded with all this black, stinky sewage stuff. It's starting to become more of an issue daily. She's now on day 3 of this. She can't afford a plumber. Please help ASAP. From Lattice Cook with a 708 area code. Lattice Cook. And his or her Lattice. I don't know if that's a man's name or a female's name, but the sister, Angela Thomas, needs some help. Let's find out where 708 area code is. So 708 area code serves the southern and western suburbs of Chicago. I gotta tell you, even if they're a Democrat, you can't live like that. You can't. So even if they voted for the wrong team, the losing team, we're still gonna help. So if you're a plumber in the Chicago area, email me, Mike at MikeyPipes.com, or call my office, 516-348-6300. And in the interim, I'm gonna call probably in an hour or so and reach out to them. This was sent at 4:04 a.m. I don't know, let's give them a call. You know, they sent me this at 4:04 a.m. I guess I can call them right now, right? Yeah. Lattice Cook.
Hello?
Hi, this is Mike, Mikey Pipes from Pipe Doctor. You sent me an email about a clogged drain and basement at your sister's house?
Yes.
Hi. Where are you located?
In Calumet City.
In where?
In Calumet City.
I don't know where that is. We're in New York.
New York?
Yes.
No, I don't go to New York.
Oh. Okay, because you went to our website, pipesforfree.org, and submitted a request for your sister. Can you email me the address and her phone number, and I'll give her a call and see if we can send someone there?
Okay.
All right, I'll text you my email address.
Okay.
Thank you. Okay, let's do that right now. Mike at Pipe Doctor. Okay, so we'll see what happens.